Hi, I'm Chef Mike McComb. Let's start the day with a delicious gluten-free pancake breakfast. First, we'll take some tapioca flour, some potato starch, and we're going to take some white rice flour, and we're going to take some of this powdered buttermilk. Okay, the next ingredient, just put a little bit of, maybe 1 packet of a sugar substitute, some baking powder, some baking soda, a little bit of salt, just to bring out the flavors, and some xanthan gum. We're going to blend all these dry ingredients together so they're well blended. It's really simple. Now we'll take our wet ingredients. I'll start with eggs. These eggs look great, nice and fresh. I'm going to take my whisk, and I'm going to take these and I'm going to make them frothy. You want to get lots of air into the pancakes because when you make them nice and airy, it makes them nice and light. That's the secret to making good pancakes. Get some air in there. That looks great. Now we take our dry ingredients, add the eggs, we add water, and some canola oil. And we're going to mix them up. Don't worry if there's a few lumps, that's fine. You just want to make sure that you get it well blended. And once we have the desired consistency, that looks just about right. Now we're going to take our griddle that's preheated to 375 degrees. Put a little bit of vegetable spray on, just gently over the top, not a whole lot. I don't want greasy pancakes, I just want them not to stick to the grill. Moving the bowl over the griddle, ladling my pancake mixture on. Now, we don't want to touch them. We want to wait until some of the bubbles start to come to the top and they start to pop. So these are coming along nicely, starting to develop a lot of nice bubbles on the top. They look beautiful. Now we flip them. They're going to start to rise a little bit. Give them 2 or 3 minutes on this side to finish them up so they're nice and cooked all the way through. Here we have it. Beautiful gluten-free pancakes. Voila.